He's a pugger kitty.
He's like,
What is that, Pug?
I can move it, but it's cold. Like he's just trying to
I
dig
love
the
you,
snow.
Pug.
He's like moving it, but it doesn't really go anywhere.
Pug, you are a goober.
I can't zoom in on this. Hold on. I'll just follow him. What is it, Pug?
My feet are going to be so wet and cold after this.
You should have put on regular boots, sir.
Well, I didn't
Look
think
at
about
him
it.
Pug, can you dig it?
Get it! Get it, Pug!
Make kitty angels. He's so like intrigued by it.
Kitten's first time with snow. Like, ever. What is all this,
I like how
Pug?
he tries to like dig. You can see like the paw prints, and then you see like the swipes. Oh, adventure time! He like looks back for approval. Like, what is this?
Cat,
Sorry,
I love
that was
you.
me. Didn't mean to scare you.
I'm gonna like fall over.
So he's gonna lay down in it. Well, Bug, I think we've figured out he enjoys the snow. He's gonna have a cold belly, but he enjoys it.
Eventually. As soon as it sets in. Oh, now I'm starting to get cold.
I know, me too. He's just like, okay.
Trying not to shake the video.
And up. He got gold. I like how he's so cautious. He's like, yeah. Oh, he's not drinking the... Well, I guess it's a good source of water for you.
Yeah.
He's like licking the stones, like, what up?
Yum. We should probably clean off the little lights.
I don't even, oh, I was like, where did it go? Pug, do you like the snow? Like,
Pug, what are you
so.
doing?
He's more interested in the stick now. I think he's okay with snow.
Yeah, I'm more interested in snow. And this has been Pug playing in the snow.
Now to use my nose.